Hello everyone, this is Shenzhen Boatman Technology Company Limited. In this video, I will introduce our Fighter Series GPS memory function. So let me show you. Now we choose point 1 and we can see last time we go to point 1, we open the middle hopper, rear hopper, but don't release the hook release. And then we choose the 15 point. We can see in last time we go to 15 point, we open the hook release. So if we want to go to 15 point again and do the same job as last time, just press this button twice. It will go. Okay, I will stop it. And if we go to point 1 and we want to do another selection, just use the same way. Keep press this button, push the joystick up to conceal the middle hopper, and then left or right to conceal the rear hopper. It turns to N. Thanks for watching.